Hi boys and girls, today we're going to make a 3D cardinal, or any bird depending on what colors you have. The materials we'll need is a pair of scissors, tape or glue. I happen to have tape at my house, I don't have any glue. And 3 different colors of paper. You need one that's big and 2 that are smaller. And you can really do them any size you want because you can have a smaller bird or a bigger bird like mine. Or you could even do it bigger. If you don't have any colored paper, that's fine. You can use white paper and color it with a crayon, or you can cut up cereal boxes and those will work too. So the first thing you're going to do is we're going to make the body of the bird. To do that, I'm just going to use another piece of paper and I'm going to trace like a ruler a straight line, and I'm going to continue it to the end of the paper, and then I'm just going to cut that line. And then I'm going to do the same thing, except this time I just want it to be half the size of this paper. So I'm actually going to cut it the same length, and then I'm just going to fold it in half and cut it. I'm going to trace it again like this. Cut it again. It doesn't need to be perfectly straight. If you don't have another piece of paper to trace, you can actually just eyeball it, and if it comes out one end a little bit thinner than the other, that's fine too. So we're going to fold it in half, and we're going to cut it, and we're going to put one aside because we just need one of the smaller pieces. We're going to take the body, and we're not going to crease it, we're just going to take one end and put it right together with the other end. And you can use either glue or tape. I'm going to use tape. So we have the body. We're going to set that aside. We're going to take the smaller end and we're going to make the head. Same thing. We're going to take the 2 ends, have them meet, but we're not going to crease it. And we're going to tape them together. Now we have to attach the head to the body. So I'm going to use tape again. Put some on this piece. Sorry. Like that. And we'll put some, we'll turn it over and do some on the other side. So now we have the head and the body. Next we're going to make the beak. To make the beak, we're going to do it about the length of your hand. So you're just going to get any color you want. I'm going to use yellow, and I'm going to make it about the length of my hand. And then I'm going to cut it so it's about the size of my finger, like that big. And then to make the beak, right here, we're going to fold it in half, and this time we're going to crease it. And we're going to fold the paper. We're going to fold both ends in like this. I'm going to tape it together. Makes a triangle. We're going to take another piece of tape and we're going to attach it to the bird's head, like this. Next we're going to make the bird's feet. Sorry, they're hard to see. I'm going to use black, and this time we want the paper to be the same thing, about the width of our finger and the length of our finger as well. So I'm just going to cut mine like this. We're going to put 2 feet, and we're going to fold the paper to make it look like the letter L. So see how it looks like the letter L? And then we're gonna turn it upside down and do the same thing so then it looks like the letter Z. Do the same thing with the other one. We're then going to tape it to the bottom of the bird. One here. And you want to make sure the feet are facing forward, so where the beak is. Oops, I almost did it backwards. Tape one here. And there you have it. A bird.